Get ready for a week of serious winter storm watching. Forecasters are beginning to monitor the potential for a major snowstorm next weekend that could blast the Northeast with snow, sleet and ice from Friday to Sunday. While last weekend's storm left most of New Jersey relatively unscathed with just a few inches of snow in South Jersey and a coating at most in the northern half of the state, the conditions are coming together for the next weekend storm to track farther up the East Coast. The National Weather Service says the probability of precipitation next weekend is likely, but it doesn't make predictions on inch counts more than 72 hours in advance. The potential for heavy rain, snow and/or mixed exists with the system, especially if the forward motion slows, the Weather Service's Mount Holly office notes in its Monday morning forecast discussion. One of the major factors that determine if New Jersey gets its first major snowstorm of the year will be how, if and when two systems interact, according to forecasters. One system will push across the central and southern plains, while the second ratchets up in the Great Lakes and eastern Canada. Much remains uncertain about the exact track and timing of the system more than 4 days out, as the official forecast simply calls for a 60 to 70% chance of snow and sleet on Saturday for most of the state. The Weather Service forecast adds rain to the possibility for Sunday along with snow and sleet. The big picture is that nearly all of the eastern half of the country could be affected in some way by the storm, with some areas getting hit more heavily than others. All of that is still to be determined over the next several days, and the forecast remains far from certain this many days out. In the meantime, New Jersey's weather for the next 4 days will be consistent sunny skies with temperatures ranging from the mid-30s on Monday, the low 40s on Tuesday and Wednesday. Temperatures drop back into the mid-30s on Thursday. At night, lows will fall into the 20s under mainly clear skies. That's almost right in line with normal temperatures for mid-January. In what could be an appetizer before a potential weekend, there's a chance of some combination of rain and snow showers Thursday and Friday. Expect colder temperatures to remain through the end of the month as Arctic air pushes south. AccuWeather.com also says we could also be hit with a storm on January 22, 23.